Hey, good morning, Southwest Florida. This is Michael Burke and Hunter Habib. We're bringing you the November edition of the Real Estate Monthly Market Report for Southwest Florida. This month, we have some interesting data points that we want to dive into, and we'll be doing a quick comparison with the trends from the past few years. Hunter, why don't you take it from here for a little bit?
Let's start with inventory. The total inventory in Southwest Florida has slightly been on the rise. After peaking in June at about 17,000 listings all summer long, our listing inventory has declined. It got down to almost just below 15,000 come September. But October, we've seen a little tick up, and now in November, we're up to 16,500 listings on the multiple listing service.
Well, does this coincide with our the normal 20% that we see year over year, or is it something that we didn't see last couple of years where we had a decline for these last couple months?
We have declined these last couple of months. There's been a lot of stuff going on, especially with this election and interest rates. But we are seeing season return. So
Okay.
we're seeing the car carriers coming, and we're going to see an influx in inventory in the next couple of months.
So in theory, it's probably to get your property on the market a little bit sooner than later because we get more eyes on the property now when we gets a little bit lost in the shuffle when season's here with the 20% increase.
Correct. And with our current days on the market, we're one of the highest in the country. So right now we're seeing about 90 days on market in both Lee and Collier County. That means it's taken about 3 months to sell your property here in Southwest Florida. So if you want to get it sold, you got to get it on the market sooner rather than later, especially for season.
All right. That's a tough one, especially when we're on a listing presentation. Tell somebody's going to take 90 days to sell the property. Do you think it's price driven? When you market a property and get it the proper price?
That definitely helps. Price is always, one of the biggest factors, price or condition.
Right.
Right now, prices in Southwest Florida have been relatively flat for the last about 2 years.
Yeah.
We haven't, it ticks up and down a little bit here and there, given, month to month, but overall, it's really been flat.
All right. Well, I guess the buyers and the sellers determine value. We don't, but the buyers and sellers.
Yeah.
Okay. In closing, thanks for tuning into this monthly market update. For more details on the market and browse and search properties, please visit our website at ParadiseLuxuryGroup.com or free to give us a call at 239-498-7600. Thank you very much. Thank you, Hunter.